Today, we're heading into one of the busiest donut 31 per person. Today's tasty donuts are whipped up every hour to meet that huge demand. Americans mix and pours it into a large industrial mixer. The mixed dough is then transferred to factories in the country, where thousands of tastes devour about 10 billion donuts spread evenly by a brushing mechanism to prevent sticking. Then, the dough is expertly flattened into a continuous First, excess flour. As the dough band continues down the conveyor, it enters a special cutting system. This system has stamping done each year. That's around ported in an automated belt to a sheeter machine. Two automated arms on either side adjust the dough, aligning and straightening it neatly. A light flour dusting is applied and spies that move in perfect sync to cut the dough into donut shapes. Immediately after cutting, an automated system punches out the center of each dough piece to form the iconic donut hole. Excess dough trimmings are collected and removed from the cutting area, keeping the line moving smoothly. The largest industrial donut factories can run multiple production lines at once, churning out tens of thousands of donuts every hour. The shaped rings are placed on metal trays called flights and carried to the proofer, where warm, humid air helps the donuts rise and become fluffy. A factory worker measures out a special flour use even band. An automatic rotating brush smooths the dough sheet evenly and brushes off any. Once the donuts have finished proofing, they're gently moved by an automated system onto a conveyor belt that leads them toward the frying station. One by one, they're carefully tipped into a long fryer filled with hot vegetable shortening, where they float on the surface, sizzling as they cook. For 45 seconds, each donut browns on one side before a mechanical arm flips them over to cook the other side, ensuring an even golden color and that perfect fluffy texture we love. As each donut passes beneath the flowing glaze, a continuous stream coats it with a sweet, glossy layer. Any excess glaze is collected and recycled back into the system, ensuring a consistent coating without waste. For chocolate glazed donuts, each donut moves along a specialized conveyor belt that carries it over a pool of melted chocolate. As the conveyor advances, this is a different type of donut forming mechanism. After being rolled, the dough is loaded into a hopper. The hopper is positioned above an extruder that shapes the dough. Using air pressure, The extruder pushes the dough out into a perfect ring, eliminating the need for cutting and ensuring a uniform shape for each donut. It can keep producing donuts non-stop. The donuts are dipped gently into the chocolate, ensuring a smooth and even layer coats the entire top surface. Seeing these donuts get an extra drizzle of white chocolate makes them look even more irresistible. A system with multiple automated sauce dispensers creates a more impressive appearance for these donuts. Then, the donuts get to the sprinkler station, where they're topped with sprinkles, nuts, or coconut flakes. Operators can make real-time adjustments using digital controls, so the donuts are always high quality and consistent every time. Once the donuts are fully decorated and ready, they are carefully arranged and automatically packaged. Robotic arms precisely locate each donut and gently place them onto trays, which are then transported to the packaging area. The packaging process ensures that each donut is securely sealed to maintain its freshness and appearance during transport. After frying, the donuts cool briefly before reaching the glaze waterfall, where perforations in the conveyor drain any extra oil, leaving them ready for a perfect coating. The donuts are neatly aligned in straight rows to ensure a smooth and even glazing process.